Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Another video, another panty haul. So for today's video guys, of course, I have new unless, ayan, I want to store. Of course, I have this one, ayan, and this one. So, unahin muna natin. Ito siya guys, okay? This one is large. Large na siya guys. And then, I bought this for 40 pesos. So, 40 peso, oh no, 3 for 100. So, your $1, kano ba? Basta 100 siya guys, more than 1.50. Ayan, 1.50 cents siya. Ang tatlo. Okay, so 3. Ayan, ganyan siya guys, very very cute one. Ayan. Ganyan siya sa loob. Very nice. Ayan, yan. Is sa loob. And then, ang cute niya. Okay. Hi ka siya. This is very one of my most favorite cuts. Ganito yung undies ko everyday. Okay? Ganyan. Wala siyang garden. I really like it. Oh, the quality is good. Ayan. So, ito naman siya blue. Second one is blue. Large din siya guys. Pero parang short. Parang panty short siya. Ayan. Ganyan. Maganda yung quality niya. And then ganito sa loob guys. Wala din siyang garter. So, it's okay yung ano nito guys, yung parang for everyday. This is okay also for everyday. Same price, 39 kung isa lang ang bilihin mo. Since I bought 3 for 100. Ayan. So, ganyan siya guys. Let me know in the comment section which one is better, this one or this one. Of course, also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Ayan. So, we will have more fun today. Ayan, let's go. Suot na natin to. Ha? And then, ito ay blue. This one ay, saan siya? Red. White, red. Okay, let's go. Guys, this one is maliit pala siya. This is large already, pero maliit siya sa akin. Ayan, ganyan. Okay? Hindi ko siya maangat na hanggang dyan na lang siya. And then also, yan lang. Maliit siya, but it's okay. Ayan, sunuot ko na lang. And then, ganyan siya sa harap. Ganyan din siya dito sa likod. Ayan. Dito sa likod, I like it. Sorry, ayan, may kinagtampa ng lamok diha. Ayan, ganyan siya. I really like it. Maliit lang talaga siya, but I like this one, okay? Tingnan natin yung isa kung ganyan din siya. Ganyan siya, guys. And this is very cute one. Ganyan siya, guys. Yan. Masyado siyang pababa kasi maliit niya. It's small to me guys. The one is bigger than this, so feel ko mas fit yung isa. Suot natin ang isa guys. So guys, ito yung, ito siya yung blue. I really like it guys. Ayan, very sexy yung, ang ganda ng kulay niya guys. I really like it. The color is very nice. And also, wow, quality is good. I like it. And also, tama lang yung kanyang, tama lang guys yung kanyang size. It's good and fit. Ayan. Comment heart if you like it. And of course, ganyan sa likod. Maganda yung ano ng likod guys. I like it also. Ayan, maganda din yung kulay. Ayan, ganyan siya dyan. Diba maganda siya, guys? Ito sa likod, guys. Ganda. Gusto ko yung cut niya dito as in hindi siya mababa. I can wear this everyday, guys. Thank you for watching guys. Ayan, I hope you like. Let me know which one is better. The first one or this one. Thank you.